all vaccines, second dose for our parents. Then we will go to Mall of Lahore
And guys-
celebrate my birthday. Wish me happy birthday.
Yes.
Comments.
And guys,
Today is not a Sunday birthday, it's on Wednesday 25 August.
guys, it is very important for all of us to just get the two vaccines of coronavirus, that AstraZeneca or Zavarian, what are the name, I don't know. But it is very important for us to get vaccine to fight corona, because without getting vaccine and without following the SOPs, we can't fight corona, we can't defeat corona. It's very important for us. So follow the SOPs and get vaccinated. 3, 2, 1. Get vaccinated. As you guys can see, this is a building. This is being built for up to 5 years. When I was like 6 to 7 years, I was seeing this
इतनी पुरानी ये
This
building
building-
बन रही है यार। इतनी ठंडी हवा है।
the beautiful name of Allah and the signboard. Guys, mashallah, the weather is really amazing, nice, beautiful and cold, just
मेरी
like
जब भी birthday आती है ना,
winters.
तो बारिश बहुत ज्यादा होती है।
And guys, 25th August is Hassan's birthday, 21st March is my birthday, and 16th March is Aiman's birthday. And guys, 16th January is Aiman's birthday. And guys, if you calculate, our three's birthday just come in 1 week. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Was Hassan just out of the line?
Let me show you a thing. This is not our sponsor, but you have to tell me in comments who is this person.
It is very quite famous on
And this is not our
TikTok
sponsor.
and a hint. He has more than 100.1 million followers.
More than followers of TikTok official account.
Yes, so
More than that.
we will meet you. We weren't applauding because we had our grand test and it lasted more than one whole freaking month. So we couldn't applaud for that, and I had to have something to say.
Guys, इनके पेपर जैसे तन्वी और मोहम्मद भाई के पेपर थे ग्रैंड टेस्ट पेपर थे शॉर्ट पेपर वो उनके हो गए अब मेरे स्टार्ट होने वाले हैं इसलिए मोहम्मद भाई और हसन भी वीडियो बनाएंगे मैं ही बनाऊंगी
Aima meant to say that our grand tests have been finished and Aimas are about to start in the September's midweek or the last week.
मेरी birthday को हम गाना गाने लगे हैं।
Okay guys, so ਮੈਨੂੰ ਛੱਡਿਓ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨਾ ਦਿਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਓ ਲੱਗਣਾ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਤੂੰ ਚੱਲਣਾ ਏ ਮਾਈ ਮੈਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਚੱਲਣਾ
तू जी सकता है, मैं जी सकती माही मैं तेरे
पीछे पीछे चलना सच्चियां
मैं तेरे पीछे पीछे चलना
बारी खाते बारी चलो बारी गए
होश ही भूल गए गरम गरम चाहत दे डुल गई हद दे डुल गई चाह सजना ऐसी तेरी निगाह सजना जानदी जानदी दसदी जा तू दिल दे विच की तेरे दे विच की तेरे
मैं सुनने
या ऊंचियां दीवारां रखियां इस दिल दे चार चफेरे तेरे सामने रख दी ना तू दिल ना बना रही Yes guys, so apparently we have decided that we will celebrate Hassan's birthday in Emporium Mall, which is in front of Packages Expo Center. So that's good for us. I will meet you when we reach there, or in between if I see something. Okay guys, so we have reached that Expo Center, and yes, we are here for the vaccination, and in front of us we can see the Expo Center, and besides it somewhere is Emporium Mall. There we will go to celebrate Hassan's birthday. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so we are currently here in Expo Center, and I am out of the washroom because I have to do my business. So when I will get out of the washroom, I will meet you guys. Okay guys, so I am out of the washroom, and we all leave the washroom. My mother and Alma are somewhere getting vaccinated, I think so. And behind me something, let me show you. After this comes us
मोर पापा के लिए लेके जाओ. This is working, bro.
I have drank the water and Hassan is drinking. I am holding his shoulder because there is too much crowd around. So if I get lost in case, Allah na करे ऐसा हो, लेकिन in case if I get lost, I am can be in the lead. भाई तो मुझे बताया जब वैक्सीन लगवानी होती है तो उससे पहले सारा प्रोसीजर क्या होता है लगवाने का?
पहले आप अपने डाटा चेक कराएंगे कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर से, वो आपका डाटा चेक करे, ओके करेगा, फिर आपको प्रिंट आउट देगा। उसके बाद फिर आप अपना फीवर चेक कराएंगे, फिर अपना ब्लड प्रेशर चेक कराएंगे, फिर आप आगे जाएंगे डोज के लिए।
Okay, so that is the procedure, and you guys must do it, must get vaccinated because that's important to fight coronavirus and all its types. And not only just get vaccinated, also follow the SOPs because those are also important. Alma is currently here. I didn't know where Mama and Alma were, but Alma and Mama were in the washroom. I didn't know, so she's back. Look at the whole freaking crowd. Look, these are the portions, the closed that they were once open for the vaccination. That center is open and the centers over there are open. And look at the freaking crowd. So much crowd. These people are following the SOPs. No 6 foot distance, no mask, no sanitization, no something else. This is so bad. This is the way we will fight coronavirus. So bad conditions. But the crowd is too much. This block should be open so that more and more people get vaccinated and they just get out of the expo center so that the crowd is no more. Guys, for the rating, I am rating the expo center only 3.5 stars because there is too much crowd, no SOPs followed, and the most important, washrooms are not good clean. They are not in good condition. Whenever we go into the washroom of the expo center, it feels like its ceiling will drop or something like that. They are not good clean, they are so smelly, and let me show the condition. This is the condition. In this condition, do you want to go into the washroom? No. So dirty, so unclean. When we will reach Emporium Mall, I will meet you. Since then, you guys wait. So finally, we're out of the center, and apparently my father had already gotten the second dose done a week ago, and my mother had just done it. Now we are on the way to Emporium Mall. I will do
Celebrating my birthday has been by.
yes, and I will do I don't know what it's called, but I will let you know what. But you guys see it. I will not tell you. You guys see it. What I'm gonna do in my way to Emporium Mall.
फ़ायदे की बात कहनी थी। 14 अगस्त तो गुजर गई है, लेकिन अभी भी एम्पोरियम वाले ना थोड़ी सी सेलिब्रेशन कर रहे हैं। लगता है इन्हें मेरी बर्थडे का पता चल गया है।
Guys, this is the Great Emporium Mall by Nishad Group.
मेरे सिर पे नहीं
Let's
गिरा।
go in.
इधर बैठ के पापा का वेट करें।
तो मामा जी बताइए, आपका ये फर्स्ट टाइम है कि सेकंड टाइम है यहाँ पे एम्पोरियम मॉल में?
मैं बड़ी दफ़ा आ चुकी हूँ।
फॉर द व्लॉग जस्ट से इट।
हाँ, पहले भी आ चुके हैं कई दफ़ा।
मेरी इसके
So according to my mom, she has come here a lot time. So a lot, by a lot I mean that uncountable times, right? Guys, there is a confusion between Hassan and Mama ji that whether it is a pine cone tree or coconut tree.
No, it is not coconut. ये सिर्फ उसके लिए use होते हैं।
My father told me that
These are, according to my mom, these are just artificial trees. Artificial trees.
अगर पापा तो hold तो फिर वो सही हो सकता
पापा ने मुझे कहा था ये कोकोनट है, खजूर का
Guys, I just looked here and I thought it was a tree, but I looked up. It's just a signboard which is currently just off. Look. Tight security system.
यार अल्लाह, जब तक ये लंबी बुखार ना ले मिलती ये करते नहीं है। उसके बाद वाली फैमिली आ गया
मेरी पिक्चर बनाई मामा अपने
कसम बनाओ।
Guys, so we went inside, we did our things, we bought some things, but we weren't allowed to record inside the Emporium Mall, but we bought some things. Let me show you. Look, we bought 2 large sizes of pizza, but I ate one, and Hassan couldn't eat one, so he left half, so he gave it to me. These are the things. There isn't too much right, but let me tell you, these are the kurkure. Those in I don't know, red color packet are the rotis. These are pomegranates. These are some usual snacks which you can get in a street shop. Those are chatty chins, and that is the Bueno chocolate I'm about. This is a Gatorade. In this we have 3 fried chicken leg pieces. Pizza, as I told you.
ये नहीं बताते कितने, कहते
My
हैं
mother
बस हो गया खाना
bought.
हमारा।
What is this?
क्या एग फ्राइड राइस।
Egg fried rice. We bought some
बस
dal.
ये
We
चीज़ें
bought
नहीं
dal
बताते
chana,
हैं।
dal mash, some donuts, some water,
ये चीज़ें नहीं
curry,
बताते
some
हैं।
drinks. And yes, we bought these. Guys, I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then subscribe, like, and share to this channel. And I will meet you till then. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, you guys wait. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.